NoSQL translates to not only SQL. Some say it stands for non-SQL, but either way, NoSQL databases store data in a different way than their relational counterparts do. Each document consists of two things, a field and a value. Those familiar with relational database management systems may think of fields as columns. NoSQL databases store data in a document-oriented format that is similar to objects in the JavaScript Object Notation or JSON. As such, NoSQL databases are document-oriented databases. Such an approach offers a more flexible data model that is well suited for unstructured or semi-structured data. Document-oriented data models usually also support nested data structures, making it easy to represent relationships between data. There are four major types of NoSQL databases. Such databases include document-oriented databases, key-value databases or data stores, wide column stores, and graph databases. Each of them offer unique perspectives into the world of data. Document-oriented databases store data in a format similar to JSON. Key-value databases store keys and associated values, making them suitable for high-performance read and write operations. Wide column data stores enable the retrieval of sparse and wide data, and a graph database stores data in the form of nodes and edges, where nodes store information about objects and edges store information about the relationships between those objects. Finally, multimodal databases support more than one NoSQL data model, hence the name. NoSQL-based database management systems like MongoDB do not support SQL as their native language. However, they do provide a BI connector that is able to translate SQL queries into a NoSQL syntax. NoSQL databases are based on the base model, which translates the basically available, soft state, and eventually consistent database, which in essence defines NoSQL. NoSQL databases are known to ensure the availability of data by spreading and replicating it across multiple mediums of the database cluster. Data values may change over time, and eventually our database will become consistent. NoSQL databases also support horizontal scaling or scaling out. Scaling NoSQL databases is as easy as adding more servers or nodes to a system. Horizontal scaling is not only benefit. NoSQL databases are known for their flexible dynamic schemas and are easier to upgrade than relational database management systems. However, the JSON-like code may appear to be harder to understand at first, the consistency of data will be weak or loose at best, and their focus will be shifted to the best attempt rather than a commit. Do you use NoSQL databases? What is your use case? Comment down below, subscribe to this channel for more videos on NoSQL databases, and until next time.